Welcome to the What's an LLM Crossword Challenge. All words, no cross. Here's how it works. I'll provide answer hints consisting of the first letter, number of words, and number of letters for all questions. There are 20 questions that get progressively harder. There are 5 seconds of thinking time, although feel free to stop the video if you require more. The riff, no grids, all words. Today's theme is large language models, which are also known as LLMs. Ready for learning without the lecture? Question 1 is, what is ChatGPT an example of? The first letter is L. There are 3 words with 18 letters. The answer is large language model. What research company developed ChatGPT? The first letter is O. There is 1 word with 6 letters. The answer is OpenAI. What is it called when you enter a question or instruction into an AI tool for a specific output? The first letter is P. There is 1 word with 6 letters. The answer is prompt. What networks are used to recognize patterns, make predictions, and solve complex problems by mimicking the structure and function of the human brain? The first letter is N. There are 2 words with 14 letters. The answer is neural networks. Question 5 is, what branch of computer science allows machines to understand human language? The first letter is N. There are 3 words with 25 letters. The answer is natural language processing. What is a subset of machine learning that identifies patterns and features, often without explicit programming? The first letter is D. There are 2 words with 12 letters. The answer is deep learning. What concept describes the point at which training improvements plateau in LLMs? The first letter is P. There are 2 words with 18 letters. The answer is performance ceiling. What kind of prompt includes examples to help guide model output? The first letter is F. There are 3 words with 13 letters. The answer is few-shot prompt. What is Google's AI called? The first letter is G. There is 1 word with 6 letters. The answer is Gemini. What term is used when AI generates plausible but incorrect information? The first letter is H. There is 1 word with 14 letters. The answer is hallucinations. What is the fundamental unit of text that LLMs process? The first letter is T. There is 1 word with 5 letters. The answer is token. What technique boosts AI capabilities by combining multiple machine learning models into one system? The first letter is S. There is 1 word with 8 letters. The answer is stacking. What allows LLMs to fine-tune themselves on the fly? The first letter is A. There are 2 words with 16 letters. The answer is adaptive training. What term describes output generated by a model that was never explicitly programmed? The first letter is E. There are 2 words with 16 letters. The answer is emergent behavior. Question 15. What kind of AI task mimics the tone and structure of a famous author? The first letter is S. There are 2 words with 13 letters. The answer is style transfer. What philosophical argument questions whether machines can understand meaning or just simulate it? The first letter is C. There are 3 words with 16 letters. The answer is Chinese room argument. What benchmark test evaluates machine reading comprehension for LLMs? The first letter is S. There are 4 words with 32 letters. The answer is Stanford Question Answering Dataset. What issue causes AI models to degrade when trained on other AI-generated data? The first letter is M. There are 2 words with 13 letters. The answer is model collapse. What type of research aims to make LLM behavior transparent and explainable to humans? The first letter is I. There are 2 words with 24 letters. The answer is interpretability research. And question 20 is, what principle ensures that AI systems do not cause harm to individuals or society? The first letter is A. There is 1 word with 9 letters. The answer is alignment. That completes today's crossword challenge, all words no cross, on the topic of LLMs. Remember, it's not about getting it right, but enjoying the process of getting it. Still interested in LLMs? Then continue the triple plays. 1 concept, 3 ways to learn series by watching the explainer video, from huh to aha, on this topic as well as LLMs. 3 truths and 1 lie. And if you enjoyed this challenge, please like and subscribe for more learning without the lecture that enlightens, tests, and stretches your neural muscles. Until next time, nerdy and proud.